I always wanted to have a homemade guitar, but I wasn't really too keen on the idea of those DIY kits where you put the body and neck together and then you have to apply a lot of varnish and finishes to it. So I stumbled across this guitar that was homemade, obviously on eBay, and I thought it was really interesting, so I thought I'd buy it. It was only $200 plus shipping after I got through my bid, and so I got it. And there's a lot good about it, and there were some challenges with it too. The main thing I liked were the pickups. I liked the sound of the pickups. They were kind of warm and bright at the same time, if that makes any sense. I'll play an excerpt from them later so you can see. But most of the other hardware was not in the best shape. I had to replace the tuning knobs, and I got a inexpensive Safu set from Amazon to do that. I also had to replace the pickup covers because they were cracked. I thought about replacing the bridge. If you notice the bridge, the intonation on the E string, that bridge saddle goes almost all the way down to the end. So I thought about getting a wider bridge to give me more space there, but I haven't done that yet. I like the brown tuning knobs, but they came off too easily, so I knew I had to replace those. I looked inside, and the harness inside, the pots were 500K, but they were dime size. And if you can see in the picture, they were a bit rusty. And also the ground solder on the two pickups had been welded together to the switch knob, which made it difficult to tell what ohm resistance the pickups have. So I got a Lam Sam set wiring harness on Amazon inexpensively. So that ended up going in there pretty nicely, and the knobs that came with it were pretty good, and the switch selector was nice and good quality. Installing the neck pickup upside down made the sound brighter, so that's why I did that. So let me play an excerpt of a song I recorded prior to doing the mods and a little bit after, and I think you can see a little bit of the difference that the harness makes in terms of the quality. I think it's a little warmer sounding and a little more rounded, but I'll let you be the judge. Anyway, I just wanted to get this out there. I do home recording projects under the name Avocation. You can check out my other music that I make with my home studio using various equipment. And anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and hope it gives you some ideas on how you can do your own homemade guitar project inexpensively. As you can see, the total cost of what I put in wasn't very much, around under $400. So anyway, that's it. Thanks. Have fun. Bye. Here's a section of a song before I made the changes. And here's the section of the song after.